This is a 2003 Chevrolet TrailBlazer LT four-wheel drive extended version. Does have the rear seats, that's what extended means. Leather interior. 5.3 V8 motor, same thing they put in the full-size trucks. This thing will pull campers of at least 5,000 pounds and under for sure. Very clean on the inside. Dual power seats, gray leather interior. Owner's manual. Dual heated seats. Very clean for the year model. Controls for the back. Place for your sunglasses right there. That is not a DVD player. That's a sunglass holder. Rear air conditioning. There's your back seats. Hold 2 people. They're very big, wide back seats. Just like the front seats are. They're big and wide. Roof rack. Does have the roof rack on the back. On top, sorry. Does have the hauling. You can haul with this one. Like I said, up to at least 5,000 pounds, maybe more. Have to check the owner's manual. Memory seats. They're power seats. Sorry, heated seats. There's your power seats. Leather's in very good condition. Get in here, crank it up. Does have the controls on the steering wheel. There's your 4-wheel drive. Radio does have a button that is busted, but as you can see, the button still works. Dual climate control. 147 on the miles. Come see us at TowellsonSons.com.